Hi there, welcome to the Snowman Factory. Yes, it's me, Jackie, making another silly video. But I wanted to show you the little shop has been totally transformed for spring. No more Christmas trees, out winter. So here we've got our new best friends, Benjamin and Brittany Bunny, and they're just having tea. And they're just below them is a wonderful spring runner with tulips. I'm just going to let Kim wander through, and as he does, I'm going to just talk very briefly about some of the things we have. We have bunnies that you can put real chocolates in or little flowers. These hearts are so much fun with the vials, and you can put fresh flowers in those. The little cups are wonderful for gifts with their little boxes. And then we have, you all bought Christmas crackers. Here we have one for Easter and spring with carrots and flowers. These are so fun. Lots of bright colored napkins. And our bunnies are here again with the little lit fence. Our little handcrafted train done by a local craftsman, the Bunny Express. How about a centerpiece with Easter eggs and a battery candle? Centerpiece, we used a wreath. We have lots of wreaths around the shop. Here we used one as a centerpiece and put a candle in the middle. These lanterns are really fun for porches and decks. A couple more wreaths back here. These little trees, you can use them at Christmas, but they're also fun to use on a patio at night. They just make everything magic. And how about these battery lights, which have timers, so you can put them out on your deck or hang them in the trees if you're having a party. They just add big time magic. We have, how about this truck? It's so much fun, and you can plant it. We put everlastings in it, but you could put plants in it. Comes in green too. And then at Christmas you can do it for Christmas, or you can bring it back to us and we'll turn it into a wonderful piece. And then we have these really fun flowers that are made from natural things and pieces of wood in pink and green and mauve. They're just a fun, different way to do things. Vials to hang on your porch or outside in the trees. If you're having a get-together, they're just magical. You can put fresh flowers in them, or we've had fun with the feathers. I love this sign, whatever floats your boat. And here we have daisies for placemats and what do you call those things? Runners. Yes. And another couple of little lanterns. I love this bunny, and he's all lit up. So there you almost have it. The only other thing I wanted to show you just quickly are some of you bought the shirts at Christmas. They were very popular, so we've got some more. And I love these cushions for your patio, or if you have a sunroom, or you just want to change up a room in the house to make it more like spring and summer. They're really fun. So there you have it. Oh, and I forgot to tell you about these plates. And this runner, we have spring. These little plates are really fun to put goodies on, and the eggs. So there you have it, and we hope that you'll come and visit us. We're going to have more things too, and we're also going to have some sellout props and things, so you might want to find some little extra goodies, and just come and see us. You don't have to buy anything. We just want to see you. We miss you. Take care. God bless.